Hi guys, Phasic here from Phasic's Bonsai World, welcoming you to my world of bonsai. It's spring and today I'm going to repot my blueberry into this wonderful pot. Let's start by removing it. Soil is quite loose, it hasn't been very long in here. This is this. Because it was quite a deep pot, there's going to be quite a bit of roots. Sorry. Root ball here is quite solid. Yeah. I'm going to take the time to rake this out and then I'll be back when it's done. Welcome back guys. So you'll see I've reduced the root ball. I actually cut it. There's plenty of root. So I'm going to give it enough time to grow. Now I'm going to do some clipping. This really tall branch was a sacrificial branch to help thicken this up, so I'm going to get rid of this. Big cut. There we go. Could make another tree. We have a bit of a dye back here. Let's clear this nabari a little bit. See, this tree's first training just allowed it to grow. Shorten this for now. This is shorten. Let's give the whole shorten out tree a little bit. Still If they're too tall, that's fine for now. Just let it grow from here. Okay. So I've already prepped the pot. Always important to tie down your plastic mesh so it doesn't shift, because you obviously have it there to keep the soil in, but even more important, very little bugs can get in here, or the bigger bugs that do a lot of damage. Have my pre-mixed soil. Those of you who don't know, it's a mix of akadama, perlite, vermiculite, your normal garden soil and pine bark. A lovely mixture. Always put a bottom layer. Fill it in a little, give it a bit of a squeeze. Looks good. Okay guys, so I'm just going to fill this with soil, and when it's close to the finishing stages we'll be back. Welcome back guys. I've filled it with enough soil. I always leave a little bit of an area for watering so that you don't spill over the edge and all that kind of thing. Water is precious in Africa. That is the front of the tree. There's a lot to grow out this way, to the back, to the sides, and once there's more ramification we'll of course give it another clipping. I kept some natural moss that grew. I'm going to put that back. Always nice to have some moss in the areas. And then of course also put some stone, because the stone also prevents a lot of water evaporation. The moss is very fluffy.
I want to look inside.
That's enough. I believe you guys can't see so well. Yeah. There we go. And now for some nice little gravel, and we have a third of moss and a third gravel. I think it would look great, and leave the little mound of the tree up there. A little bit more. Well, that's the first bonsai for 2022. Many more to come. I've got a lot to do. Give it a bit of a spin. I'm going to just give it a water and that will be done. Thanks guys. Well, thanks for watching guys. That's it. I just need to give it a water. Please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel. There's a lot more to come this year. Thank you.